guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is T. Thank you so much for stopping in. Don't be a stranger. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram. If you are returning, you are family, so welcome back. I know you guys are super hyped for me to get this video out, especially those of you who have been on Instagram blowing it up trying to figure out when this video is gonna come out. Listen, I greatly appreciate everybody's enthusiasm, wanting to see the room, be inspired, just to be nosy. Hey, we here, honey, because I did that for you. I actually don't have a designated name for this room. I actually just call it my room. I guess you could call it my office, makeup station, shoe collection, studio, hair station, but I call it my room. Work in here, do my makeup, do my hair, store my products, my shoes in here. It's a little bit of everything combined in this room. I even have a chair for King and a pillow for Lexi so that they can come in here and I can be surrounded by all the things that I love and the people that I love. I absolutely love the way that this room turned out, but it is most definitely not done. To be incorporating paint, pictures, art, all of that good stuff. Because I do a little bit here and there, I really don't put like a whole lot on YouTube about it. We put that on Instagram, so make sure that you are following me. Information is in the description box. Let's jump into this video. This room was originally the guest room, but because we don't host that often, it turned into a catch-all. We do have a 4-bed, 3-bath house, so we definitely have space if we do get guests. Okay, before I show you this, remember, judgment-free zone. This place is an absolute disaster. This is what it looked like when I first moved in. I did not have a vision. I just knew I needed a space to do my hair, film, do my makeup, keep my shoes, etc.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
First of all, shout out to you, King. You are a real one for putting all this stuff together. So after brainstorming and looking up some ideas on Pinterest, we decided that IKEA would be the best, most inexpensive route, seeing how I did not want a closet room. I definitely want some things on display, but not my clothes. The master bedroom closet is huge, so it still have room in there, even with all my clothes, shoes, and storage stuff, so I didn't want to move that stuff over. So after he put this stuff together, your girl went in and did her thing. So this area is being utilized as my office space. If you didn't know, I am a photographer also, so I definitely needed a place to be able to work. This is a chair that my aunt gave me a while back. It is King's chair. He'll bring his laptop in here and do some work. And of course, you already know Lexi has claimed that pillow. If you know me, then you know I love shoes, and your girl ain't got no type. Majority of my shoes are here on display. The rest are in the master closet, stored away. Over in this corner, I just keep my tripod and some filming lights. Onto the vanity area, I do keep a little teddy bear my aunt gave me that was actually my grandmother's. It's very inspiring because she was a creative too. Back here behind me, I just have some faux plants. This area will be decorated later. Onto the vanity section, we're not going to get into drawers today because it's too messy. That's for a later date. Even though the entire room is my favorite, I think this section speaks for itself. So that is my room, you guys. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It's definitely lacking a little bit of my personality, because y'all know my personality a little bit big. I definitely want to add some paint, artwork, more colors, LED lights. There's a few other things that I want to incorporate. So make sure that you are subscribed, because for the bigger things, I will be putting that on my channel. For the smaller things, I am going to be putting that on my Instagram, probably on my story, or possibly posting it on my page, because I ain't got time to be making 30-minute videos. It's at Leeper. Information is in the description box. If you have questions, please leave those in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, you still here? You can watch these videos then. Go ahead and click one of these videos.